Hey everyone, Emmanuel here. If you've ever thought about starting your own social media marketing agency or SMMA for short, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the roadmap to success, especially for you beginners out there. So let's get into it. First things first, what is SMMA? In simple terms, it's a business that helps other businesses grow their online presence through social media marketing. Sounds cool, right? But how do you actually start one? Step 1. Choose your niche. It's easier to target a specific group of businesses rather than trying to market to everyone. Think about what interests you the most. Is it fashion, fitness, or maybe tech? Pick a niche and stick to it. Next up, build your skills. You don't have to be a marketing guru right off the bat. Websites like Udemy and Coursera offer courses that can teach you the basics of social media marketing. And don't forget about YouTube tutorials. Trust me, there's a ton of free content out there. Alright, now comes the fun part, setting up your agency. Create a brand name that reflects your niche and register your business. Design a logo, build a simple website, and set up your social media profiles. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune on this step. Keep it simple and professional. Step 4. Find clients. This can be the toughest part, but it's totally doable. Start by reaching out to local businesses or using platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Offer your services at a discounted rate or even for free initially, just to build your portfolio. Once you have some success stories, landing new clients will become easier. And here's a pro tip: leverage social proof. Ask satisfied clients to leave you reviews and testimonials. Share these on your website and social media pages. This builds your credibility and attracts more clients. Lastly, keep learning and adapting. Social media trends are always changing, so staying updated is crucial. Follow industry blogs, join SMMA forums, and continually refine your strategies. The more you learn, the better you'll become. So there you have it, a beginner's roadmap to starting a successful SMMA. Remember, the journey won't be easy, but with dedication and hard work, you can make it happen. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.